One of the worst thing about jailbreaking is that you can't use some apps because they may require a newer iOS version, and this means you need to update your device to install the newer version, and this of course will make you lose the jailbreak. One of the cardinal rules you follow is staying on the lowest possible firmware or the newest jailbreakable firmware at any given time. When you do this, software updates will quickly outpace you, and some App Store apps may require you to actually update for your device's firmware to use them. So here, as you see, this app requires iOS 17 and up to install it. I'm using iOS 16.2, so I won't be able to install this app. When I want to install it, it will show you this. This app requires iOS 17 or later. You must update to iOS 17 in order to download and use this app. So this is a huge problem for me because I don't want to update and lose the jailbreak. Fortunately, a new jailbreak tweak released that lets users download and purchase incompatible apps from the App Store in your device and then easily downgrade to the latest compatible version. As you see here, even though this app requires iOS 17 and above, I'm able to install it, all thanks to AppStoreTroller tweak. This tweak comes with a few number of customization options, so now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio or whatever you are using. I will open Celio. Go to the sources here and make sure to add this repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for AppStoreTroller. And as you see, this is the tweak. AppStore tweak, as I said, designed to allow you to purchase an app to your Apple ID that requires a newer iOS version than the one you are running on your device. AppStoreTroller is a simple but very useful tweak to purchase App Store apps into your account when they normally don't support your iOS version anymore. It also lets you specify the minimum version and bypass installed version check, and this allows you to install apps that are not compatible with your iPhone. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here. Now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has two options. I'm gonna quickly explain these options. So the first one we have here is enable for updates. Well, I don't recommend you to enable this because it will likely crash the app after downloading. Also, enabling the update option might make your device show an absurd amount of updates depending on the version you spoof to. In iOS version to spoof option here, you can specify the minimum iOS version to bypass installed version check. So here, this app requires iOS 17 and above to install it. So here you will type the version you want to spoof. I'm using iOS 16.2, so I will change this to iOS 17.5. You can type any iOS version you want. Once you're done, press apply to save the changes. The changes will take effect immediately, no respring needed. I will show you if the tweak is enabled or not. Just open the App Store. Okay, this is the App Store. Now go back to the tweak and hit apply. Now go back to the App Store, and if the App Store reloads, then the changes has been applied. Okay, the tweak is now applied. Now let's go ahead and download an app. So I will search for this app, IPA installer. So this app requires iOS 17 and above, but now I should be able to install it. So I will install it. And boom, as you see, the app is now downloading. Even though I am on iOS 16.2, but I'm able to bypass the version check. Here it's still showing the app requires iOS 17 and above, but it's not a problem anymore. Okay, go to the home screen, and as you see, this is the app. If you open it, the app will crash, no problem. Now what you need to do is disable the tweak and download the app again. This will allow you to download the latest compatible version for your device. Here, as you see, I downloaded Google Chrome with this tweak. Now I can download the latest compatible version for my device. So guys, after downloading the apps you want, make sure to disable the tweak to be able to download the latest compatible version to your device. So this is the tweak. With it, you can purchase any app and save it to your account. This will allow you to download the latest compatible version for your iOS version. AppStore tweak is a very simple tweak that lets you purchase an app to your Apple ID that requires a newer iOS version than the one you are running on your device. AppStoreTroller is a simple but useful tweak to purchase App Store apps into your account when they normally don't support your iOS version. It does this by spoofing your iOS version to any iOS version you want during a new app installation. The way to use the tweak is: first, install the tweak, then enable it in settings, then try purchasing an app. It should succeed the purchase, but the download will likely fail. After that, disable the tweak in settings, and finally you can re-download the app and it will install the latest compatible version if it exists. This tweak is one of the most important tweaks and I recommend you to download it. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more tweaks videos, and peace.